Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to the 10-minute concept show by Advocate Nikita Singh. So as you know that the contract of bailment, this is important. This topic is the part of Indian Contract Act. So today in this session we are going to understand that what exactly the contract of bailment and where it is used in the practical life. Okay, so let's start with the theme. So class, the contract of bailment is not a new term, okay? This is not a new term. So what exactly this is? See, this is example. What is this? So he's the tailor, right? The basic aim of tailor is to just stitch the cloth. Okay, so this is the tailor and this one is the boutique, right? This one is the boutique. So as we know that whenever the festival come, okay, so we generally give the clothes to the tailor and boutique just for the stitching. Okay, so here suppose this is X person and this is Y person. So X person give her suit to Y for stitching, and Y, that is a tailor, he say that the cost of this suit will be 2000 and you can take your suit within 1 week. So what exactly this tailor wants? Tailor is basically, in legal term, we just call it bailee. Okay, and X is called what? Bailer. So this is bailer, this is bailee. So the contract done between X and Y, it is called contract of bailment. Now understand my wordings in this example. When one person delivery the things to the another person for specific purpose, and when the purpose is accomplished, he can take back the goods. This is what the example of what? Bailment. This is called the contract of bailment. Is that okay? So boutique example, similarly in boutique also we just give the clothes for stitching, for the branded stitching, and whenever it is complete we just take our cloth and give money to this one. So in this case also the contract of bailment is going on. So first of all, see the example that I'm giving you. Next example, what is this? This is the mall, and I think every people just go to the mall for shopping. Okay, so in mall guys, you people just give your car for parking, right now? Suppose 1 hour parking, 1 hour, for 2 hour, for 3 hour, whatever. So you people are giving your car for a parking, suppose for 3 hour, and for 3 hour the cost is basically 300 rupees. So what is this? This is called contract of bailment, because you are keeping your car for the safety purpose in the parking area, and for that one the charge is 300 rupees. So this is what the contract of bailment. So you are giving your car, you are bailer, and the person who is just keep our car, that is called bailee. So this is called contract of bailment. A very simple example I'm giving you so that you can easily correlate this. Now, so in this example guys, again that is a very easy one. This is the mechanic. Okay, this is the mechanic. Suppose if Nikita ma'am is there, right? Nikita ma'am want to, because Nikita's ma'am car is damaged, so that's why she just given her car to the mechanic for the repair, right? So in this case class, Nikita ma'am is called what? Nikita ma'am is called bailer and mechanic is called what? Bailee. So bailer, bailee. So this is called contract of bailment. So all example, as we can see that is the practical example that we always see in our day-to-day life. Some more example for the bailment. Yes, this is the laundryman. Okay, this is the laundryman. So we basically give the dirty cloth. we give the dirty cloth to the laundryman, right? So this laundryman is the bailee and Nikita ma'am, she is the bailer. So Nikita ma'am have given the cloth for the specific purpose and my purpose is to just wash and my clean cloth will come. So this is also called the contract of bailment. Now class, in the case of bank, if I give you the example of bank class, so in bank you can say this is what? Bailment. Suppose if we are keeping gold for safe custody in the bank, right? So bank will act as a bailee and suppose Nikita's ma'am gold is there. So Nikita's ma'am gold, Nikita ma'am is what? She is bailer. So this is the best example of the contract of bailment in the case of bank. So in the bank, if we are giving something important, suppose this is a jewelry or gold, we are giving it for the safe custody. The bank will, but obvious, take the charge. Okay, the bank will take the charge, and this is the example of contract of bailment. That's it. So guys, in all the example, if you see in all the example, there is a agreement, and that agreement is the legal agreement. There is the delivery of goods. It should be for purpose and return of the specific goods when the purpose is accomplished. So these are the essential points of bailment class. See. Done class? Okay, so I hope so. This example is clear to all of you. Now class, if we see the contract of bailment is defined in section 148 of the Indian contract. This define the term bailment, bailer, bailee. Okay, so bailment is the delivery of goods by one person to another for some purpose. Upon a contract, they shall, when the purpose is accomplished, be returned and otherwise disposed according to the direction of the person delivering them. So bailer, the person who deliver the goods, and the person to whom they are delivered is called bailee. So this is the best example. So in bailment, you have to remember that we are giving the possession of the goods to the bailee, okay? And the owner becomes the bailer of such good, although they may not have been delivered by the way of bailment. So basically in the term bailment, we are giving the possession, not ownership. Okay, that's it. So guys, that's all for today's class, and I hope so you people understand the term contract of bailment. So for more concept class, you can please scan this barcode, and daily, every week, one concept I will share you in this channel. Thank you so much.